Shandong Shiyue Intelligent Machinery Company Limited, located in Linyi City, Shandong Province of China. The nearest loading port is Qingdao Port. We are the leading supplier of concrete machinery and plant. Our products mainly including concrete block machine, clay interlocking brick machine, pipe making machine, concrete tile making machine, and other relative equipment, such as mixer, conveyor belt, block stacker, auto pallets loader, automatic cuber system, batching machine, cement silo, and so on. We have factory covering 46,000 square meter areas, 6 different function workshops, 320 rich experienced engineers and technical persons. Our machine are well applied to more than 108 countries and areas. We customize different kinds of machine according to customers' local requests, rather than just promote localized products to overseas clients from all over the world. Different from other suppliers, our automatic block machine is European design with airbags and 4 vibration motors, making the machine lower noise but stronger vibration force, and the finished blocks with higher density. We have pallet-free SYMT series block machine with advanced technology. Biggest model is SYMT 18-25. It doesn't need pallet and the bricks can be cubed directly after molding. Save much investment and space for clients. We firmly believe quality creates value, profession accomplishes success. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
Shiyue Machinery!
Welcome your cooperation!